This is a video about Delmic and it's brought to you by Group 2 of the Entrepreneurship Basic Course 2019. Delmic BV is a high-tech company based in Delft, the Netherlands that produces correlative light and electron microscopy solutions. They are trying to solve the problem within life science research, but now they have expanded to various other fields. They came up with correlative light and electron microscopy solutions. Their product line includes SECOM, Spark, Spark Compact, and Delphi. It was founded by Sander and Andries, and this is their team. This is the timeline of Delmic from 2010 to 2019. They launched SECOM in 2010, established Delmic in 2011, developed 2 other products in 2012, received an award in 2013, got their first customer in 2014, installed their system in Norway, Sweden, the US, UK, and Switzerland in 2015, released new products in 2016, acquired new specialists in 2017, expanded their team as well as their market in 2018, and received fundings in 2019. Now we'll go to Delmic's growth stages. This is the opportunity analysis canvas we developed. The first stage is research, and the critical juncture is opportunity recognition. Sander and Andries joined the business plan competition and interviewed a lot of researchers. In the next stage, which is the opportunity framing, they developed 2 other products and faced entrepreneurial commitment. Sander asked Andries if he'd be willing to do this seriously, and Andries said yes. So Sander was named CEO and Andries the CTO. And that's how Delmic started in 2011. In the pre-organization stage, Amolf partnered with TU Delft to build a prototype. They subsequently win a microscopy award, and that's how they faced the third critical juncture. In reorientation stage, Delmic moved to a new office, expanded their market, and attended many events. This shown Delmic's need to grow. Lastly, in sustainable returns, Delmic received funding, grants, and further expand their market. This is the last critical juncture. Now, we'll talk about the fusion. Delmic's technology is currently still in its market adaptation phase. The development of electron microscopy dated back in 1931 with the first prototype of electron microscope, followed by the first electromagnetic transmission electron microscope in 1956. Fast forward to 2007, Carl Zeiss released a groundbreaking innovation, and in 2010, an interface of hardware and software linking light and electron microscope was developed. In the market adaptation phase, Delmic started joining in by releasing SECOM 1.0 in 2010, SECOM 2.0 in 2011, Spark in 2012, and Delphi in 2014. Now we'll go to the business model. Delmic uses 3 different business models that is utilized in different growth stages. The 4 dynamic criteria are completeness, interrelationships, changes over time, and framework changes. The first business model is open business model. The second one is experience selling. And the last one is direct selling. Now, about Delmic's market. After the release of SECOM in 2010, Delmic launched Spark at 2011 trade show and got their first customer in 2014. Which is KU Leuven. Delmic's total addressable market is $4 billion, and taking into account that one microscope is valued at $1 to $10 million US, there will roughly be 200,000 demand for a microscope. A microscope has a lifetime of 15 to 20 years, and so we find the serviceable addressable market, and we take 10% of this to arrive at the serviceable obtainable market. We made an empathy map for Delmic's main customer, the researcher. and we construct a value proposition canvas to address the pains and gains. And that is how they came up with the idea of integrated correlative light and electron microscopy. The second. Strategy-wise, Delmic utilized three niche strategies: the demo and develop, such as when they partner with cathodoluminescence; hybridization or adapter, making their products compatible with ANISEM; and educate, by holding and attending various events. We found Zeiss Venture as an incumbent that could benefit Delmic. Its investment theme is optics for business in a digital world with a focus on industrial and healthcare applications. A collaboration would be beneficial for Zeiss because they can gain access to technology, knowledge, and acquisition of potential competitor. And for Delmic, it is beneficial because they may gain access to financial resources, network, and recognized brand name. That is all from us. Thank you.